Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block LGBTQ contents on Disney+. So let's get started right away. Now, there is no specific way to block just LGBTQ contents, as filtering contents based on sexual identity or orientation is not available as a feature within Disney+. However, there are a few ways by which we can get around this. So first of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. Now log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials, and once you are logged in you will be taken into the homepage. Now from the homepage, in order to filter some contents, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on add profile in order to create a new profile. Now from this page, just choose your avatar and then enter your profile name. Now you will see an option called junior mode, which indicates that this profile is made for children. You can simply turn on the toggle and this will enable junior mode for this profile. Finally, click on the save button and now this will create a new account within which the junior mode is enabled, which means contents will be filtered based on age. You can also change the parental control settings for an account by hovering over to the account icon at the top right corner and then clicking on edit profiles. Now choose the profile that you want to edit and then scroll down and click on content rating. From this page, enter your password to continue forward, and now you will be able to choose the age range for this account. Click on your preferred age range and select the lower age range in order to block most mature contents. Then click on the save button and now your changes will be saved. And there you have it. That is how you can go around to block LGBTQ contents on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.